Hello soulmates, welcome to today's tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to make this scrunchie. Let's get started. For the length I made use of 3 inches, while for the width, how long I want it to be, I made use of 29 inches. Then take it to your sewing machine, then sew it down. Sew it twice to make it strong. Pay attention for those of you that don't know what I just did. What I did was that I took one part of this fabric, or let's say the material I'm using, push it inside, and I'm going to sew it part. The purpose for this is that I am turning it inside out while sewing at the same time. And the only way is that once you've sewn inside, the fabric inside, you draw it. So that as you are drawing it, it is turning inside out. Once you start doing this on your machine, you understand what I'm saying. You draw it inside. You draw it while sewing. Once you sew a little, you draw it. Once you sew a little, you draw it. Kindly you take note so that you don't sew. You push it inside, just like what I am doing, so that you don't sew it in. You see what I'm doing? After sewing for a while, you draw it. After sewing for a while, you draw it. The purpose of drawing is that you are sewing at the same time, you are turning it inside out at the same time. Please, I hope this explanation makes you understand. So you keep doing it until you see a part. Just watch what I am doing. You keep doing it until you see a side that is one part. While you are sewing, you keep pulling. As you can see, you stop only when you see that some part of the fabric you've seen the inside out, and you can see what I was trying to do. I was turning it out at the same time while sewing. Please, I hope you understand. Then proceed to trim it off. I used an elastic of 5 inches. You can make it 6, 7, depending on how full you want it. Using your safety pin, you pass it through the opening you have. Can you see? Pass it through the opening you have. Pay attention so it doesn't go in. Using your office pin, you pin down one part of it so it doesn't enter inside. After securing it perfectly, then you continue using your safety pin to pass it around till you get to the other side.